Hello student, moving to the next session for 4th semester B students, that is 18 MAT 41. Prove that tan theta is equals to standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x square plus standard deviation of y the square into 1 minus r square divided by r. This question is arrived in December 2018, June 2019, and according to latest syllabus it is. So in model question paper 2 they had mentioned it, the topic is angle between the lines of regression. So moving to the question area, if theta is the angle between the lines of regression, then show that tan theta is equals to standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x the square plus standard deviation of y the square into 1 minus r square divided by r. Next solution, we know that if theta is the acute angle between the lines y is equal to m1x plus c1 and another line y is equal to m2x plus c2 is given by tan theta is equals to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, the standard formula. So we have the lines of regression y minus y bar, so is equals to r into, so you can call this as sigma also, sigma y divided by sigma x into x minus x bar and x minus x bar x1 y, it is r into this time it is sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. So we can write this second equation. So we can write this, we can write this second, this is second equation, second of the equation as, so y minus y bar, so it is y minus y bar is equals to cross multiplication, it is so y minus y bar one side only. Next x minus x bar as it is, so here r delta x and cross multiplication sigma or standard deviation y cross multiplication divided by cross multiplication r into standard deviation of x, and this one after cross multiplication x minus x bar, the second equation we can write like this also. Next, so you can call this this equation as the equation 1 or here equation 2. Next, slopes of equation 1 and slope of equation 2 here are respectively given by, so m1 is equals to, so from equation it is r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x, and m2 from second equation respectively, second equation m2 is equals to standard deviation of y divided by r into standard deviation of x. Next, substitute these in the formula. What formula? So formula for tan theta, we have we have tan theta is equals to it is m2 minus m1. So m2 is standard deviation of y divided by r into standard deviation of x. M2 minus m1 is r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x, full divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. It is 1 plus m1 r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x into this one, standard deviation of y divided by r into standard deviation of x. So here r get cancels here only. Next here what happens? So standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x common we can take. So standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x common. So what remains? Here it is 1 upon r minus r. So full divided by so here this is into standard deviation of y the square, standard deviation of x the whole square. So what is the LCM? Standard deviation of x square. I will write directly. Standard deviation of x square, it is common x square here. So multiply by this, it becomes standard deviation of x the square into this one, standard deviation of y the square. So here we'll get, here tan theta is there, here also tan theta is there, left hand side tan theta is equals to so here I will shift this one in denominator, so it becomes standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x into shift this 1 by standard deviation of x square is there, it will be standard deviation of x square. Here LCM is r, so 1 minus r square divided by r and full divided by, here remains this much only, this one will shifted here. So it is standard deviation of x the square plus standard deviation of y the square. So it becomes so one standard deviation of x the cancels, so it becomes 1 remains here, cancel, this cancels. So standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y divided by this one, divided by standard deviation of x the square plus standard deviation of y the square, so into, so 1 minus r square divided by r. This is the final answer what they asked to prove. So this one is the final answer for this problem.